this?
It's easy to make sustainability on your own.
Here at Student Housing, our goal is to show you how.
In this video, we'll be talking about two different things.
One will be sustainability, but first let's talk about energy in the wintertime. First we can start with your dorm room. There's a lot of ways to be sustainable just by sitting in here. To start, make sure you turn off all switches that you're not going to be using throughout the day.
After turning off all your appliances that use an outlet, make sure to turn them off and unplug them as well.
So during the wintertime, Student Housing takes control of your thermostat in order to prevent energy waste and keep you warm. So make sure you try and keep the indoors like it's summertime and treat the outdoors like it's wintertime. So going from the thermostat, during the daytime when the sun is out, make sure that instead of using your lights, you try to open up your blinds. Daylight is sometimes even healthier. When doing laundry in the dorms, never try to wash a small load like this. Instead, try to get a full load going. Not only will it save you time and money, but it will also save a lot of energy for the dorms.
If possible, try to use cold water to save the energy.
When drying your clothes, make sure to use low to medium temperatures so that you don't shrink your clothes and to save more energy.
Now that we showed you how to be energy efficient during the wintertime,
here are some random tips to be sustainable in the resident halls. Try to take short showers to conserve water. A good way to do this would be to wake up late, that way you rush through the shower.
What time is it? I'm late! Wait. Huh? Make sure while you're rushing, don't forget to take your clothes off before jumping into the shower. There are hydration stations all around campus and in every single residence building. So instead of using these, make sure you're trying to recycle all your plastic #1 and 2 water bottles.
And instead of those, you can use these reusable water bottles, especially the ones you got from Student Housing.
Every residence hall has a computer center, and every resident has 250 free prints.
And there are a lot of ways to take advantage of this in order to be sustainable.
Let's show you how.
To save on paper, make sure to print front and back. And here's how you do it. Go to File, press Print, make sure your area is where you want it to be, so since we're at Emerson, and then make sure to print both sides. And then print.
Not only does printing double-sided save both paper and energy, but it also counts as only one print towards your total amount of prints.
There are a lot of ways to be sustainable, and they're diving common.
You can start by trying to use at most just one set of utensils per meal.
And whenever you fill a drink, make sure to only use 1 tumbler or cup.
Lastly, try to take on the 1 napkin challenge. It really helps and it can really be easy to. Enjoy your meal!
These might seem like a lot of tips, but they're all really easy to do.
So from one resident of this planet to another, let's try and keep our home sustainable.
While turning everything off, just make sure to unplug anything that's inside the pot. Inside the what?
But it also only counts as 1 print towards your total prints. You should narrate that.